we go into the great blue yonder. Na, 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 na.
Don't attempt this at home.
Do, do, do.
Just a minute.
Okay, here it is. The beast of the dresser. Let's get all of that red stain off.
My mask. Don't forget your mask. You don't know what is in this dust.
Heck yeah, it's old. Cute hair.
You better narrate this one.
Shower cap, because Sheila doesn't like to shower her hair every day. Hence,
I just got it done yesterday.
yes, it's all nice and fresh. Okay, as Sheila gets ready here, she is going to be using an 80 grit sandpaper on our sander. It's a Ryobi. And then after we've got all of that off, we will use a more fine sandpaper, and that's going to be 150 to get this top layer off. And no, that is not a real deer. The neighbor has a pretend one. The thing I like about this segment is that I don't have to do this because it's hard for me. Okay, we are done with the sanding with the electric one, and now we're using a 150 grit to get out the circular marks that were left and to smooth out all of the last little bit.
Yeah, we're gonna work on.
And we are gonna have to work on this edge by hand because there's lots of ridges, and then we'll get that taken care of. That's our next step. Looking good, Sheila. Okay, we have finished sanding the top, and now we gotta clean off all the excess. Look how pretty the wood is. We're using just a little damp wet paper towel.
And then we'll go over it with a tap glove.
Get all the fine particles
This
out.
is the messiest sanding we've ever done.
It's pretty bad,
Look at this.
especially when you wear black pants and a black shirt. This was pretty tricky too because we had to go in each little groove and make sure we got all the old paint out. There was green in there and mint and yellow. I don't like it. Look at all that dust on that paper towel.
Yuck.
Yeah.
But we really need to get the dust off before we put the stain on it. So we have a perfectly smooth.
Hey, what
Clean
happened to your
surface.
face? You got mask mark, girlfriend.
I know. Because it smashes your face. But it's worth it.
Good thing it's not 90 degrees out.
Wear the mask.
Okay, what's our first step for staining the top of the dresser?
Okay, we're gonna use this mineral spirits. I'm just shaking it up.
Clean strip mineral spirits, okay?
There's other brands.
Yeah.
We use this, we put this on the wood. It's like a wood conditioner. You can buy wood conditioner, kind of does the same thing. This is gonna prepare that raw wood surface so that when we put the stain on it, it's going to absorb the stain a little more evenly.
Nice work. Oh no. Okay, so she just put a little bit on a lint-free towel. And again, going with the grain of the wood so you can kind of see your progress and what you've done. And this is just a step to kind of clean up things.
It just prepares the surface to absorb the stain better. You don't want your stain to go on all blotchy.
Oh, now we just learned a new tip. She's just gonna pour some on. Kind of looks like some milk or something. There you go. Okay, we are gonna vacuum out all of that stain. It got into all the little grooves again, and that will help us get ready for the next step, which is putting the stain on top.